Hi, good morning. Welcome to Lima Center. Once again, I am here to help the learners with the real English. The chapter I have started is noun, and I said that it's divided into two, countable and uncountable noun. So I was planning to give you some errors related to the job, but for that I have to do some more chapters. Some chapters are like number, case, gender, person and article. It's not easy to teach in detail those all the chapters, but those all the materials which are very important to make your errors up to mark for any competitive examination. For those all, I am trying my best to bring those all materials to you. So you know that noun, the chapter is longer, typical. Noun has 5 pillars. These all 5 pillars will help you to solve the problems related to nouns. These 5 pillars are number first. After that we should study person, gender, case, and then articles. The 5 chapters will make you understand the nuance of this noun. Because it's not very easy, it will take time, but we'll endeavor for you to make it easy. Try to be with us and give us suggestions if there is any. So now just I am starting number. Number as the name is. Here we have to study only those nouns which can be counted. I mean uncountable noun has nothing to do with this chapter, because uncountable noun is usually similar, and in few cases we try to make them plural, but the sense goes something different. So now number. Here we are to study that this chapter denotes whether noun is one or many. One is a word of general English. So far kinds are concerned, one means similar. One is a word of general English. Similar is a term of English grammar. In this way our next is many. Many means two or more than. Said to be plural in grammar. So similar and plural are kinds of this chapter, I mean number. Meaning thereby it has two kinds, similar and plural. Usually in our common talks we don't say that a similar person has come. Usually we say that one person has come. Because the terms of grammar usually we don't talk while speaking English. We don't say that plural people have come. We say well, many people have come. That's why these words are seldom used in our common talks. So one and many. So important thing is not the definition and kinds. Definition and kinds are the traditional things we have been being taught by our teachers since childhood, and we still use it. So the important thing is not the number or kinds. The important thing is here. I mean rules. The rules to change words into plural. Now try to understand the nuance of this chapter, that in the definition I have written noun. It denotes whether noun is one or many. While making you write the rules to change words. So now see my way of saying or speaking changes here. Noun and now it's words. It means apart from noun we have to study three more things in this chapter. One we can help you in making sentences. If we want to make ordinary sentences, at least we have to know some four. Those are noun and the word used instead of noun, that is pronoun, and then verb and the word which helps verbs to make a sentence, that is auxiliary verbs. So in short we are going to study these four. I mean rule number one, it's very important. So in today's class we should be studying about those all four things, and in the rest, because it will take 3 classes at least to make you clear this chapter. So rules to change words into plural. This first one is very important. Now see, almost, all. So almost, when we talk about almost, it means we are talking about 90% cases. Almost all nouns. Mind you that I am talking about count nouns. Almost all nouns are similar. We add s or es to them to be plural, while all, now I am talking about 100%, all main verbs are plural. We add s or es to them to be similar. So how easy it is to come to know about that in most cases noun s or es plural in 90% cases. So those who are not getting it totally in the language, now they should be getting it arithmetically. That noun in most cases we add s or es to make them plural, while verb putting s or es are similar in 100% cases. And for framing sentences, everyone knows that English grammar says similar subject will take similar verb, plural will take plural. So similar subject plus similar verb, while plural subject will take plural verb. This is known to us. Example can be given here. Suppose the name of someone is Pintu. Like Pintu comes here daily. So this is similar subject, so verb has been made here similar. Because naturally, basically, verbs are plural, so according to subject, this is made similar. Now, if we talk about two persons together, like Pintu and Santosh, manage these things. So here manage is plural because subject is plural. So this is universal rule, everyone knows it. So in most cases we do it, but now in some particular cases you see here. In some particular cases, that some nouns don't take s or es. Those nouns are said to be absolute. Now, putting those nouns here, that some nouns don't allow s or es on them to be plural. Neither or and before them to be similar. Usually we do in our common talks or writing that putting s or es, we try to make nouns plural and putting or and before them, we try to make them similar. But in some cases, it's not possible. Example, advice. So this is an absolute noun, it can't be made plural by putting s or es. If we say that he gave me some advices, so this sentence goes wrong. Or he gave me an advice, this sentence is also wrong. So s or es is not possible, neither or and. So these are few words we have to pay attention. These words are bread, baggage, alphabet, apparatus, furniture, education, information, home task, knowledge, machinery, progress, scenery, poetry, traffic, work, etc. We may use these all nouns as similar and plural, but for that we have to use these nouns as singular and plural, we ate usually a piece of, and here this should be made plural to use these all words in plural form. A piece or pieces of, like a loaf of or loaves of. A letter of, letters of. A word of, or words of. A stick of, sticks of. A slice of, slices of. A lot of, lots of. Some or many may help you to use these words as plural. Now, a few example now see here. The sentence in the beginning I said you incorrect. Now he gave me a word of advice. He gave me a word of advice. It also can be said a bit of advice, a piece of advice. Whenever we don't have words, a piece of will help you much. And now second that he gave me many words of advice and so on. Such many things will bring you to the next class. So today only, this is all about, because in the steps we have to study it. So tomorrow and onwards we will be reading something more about it. This is all about for today. Thank you.